Let's make pasta alla matriciana, an absolutely scrumptious dish. Pasta alla matriciana is made of three main ingredients: guanciale, San Marzano tomatoes, and peperoncino. This pasta dish can be made with spaghetti or bucatini, depending on your appetite on the day. In today's dish, I've tested it out with spaghetti. Our ingredients for today are salt and pepper, peperoncino chili pepper, San Marzano tomatoes, guanciale, pecorino, white wine, our chopping board of course, and our santoku knife. We start off by dicing our San Marzano tomato. The next step is to chop our peperoncino into small pieces, but in order to ensure that the seeds come out and we reduce the spiciness of the pepper, we need to roll over the pepper on the chopping board in order to allow the seeds to detach from the walls of the pepper. Of course, if you're in for a spice and in for a treat, leave the chilies in. Once the chilies are prepared, we then get the guanciale, and we make sure we dice the guanciale into many pieces. Now, most of our ingredients are well chopped and ready to be added to the saucepan. We heat a large saucepan over high heat and add the guanciale, without oil, and sauté for a few minutes in order to get that beautiful golden brown color. We then pour the wine into the pan, scrape the bottom of the pan so that we release any bits that have stuck to the bottom of the pan. Any juices left from the guanciale, we add to the saucepan, add the tomatoes and the peperoncino slices, and then cook them for a few minutes to release those beautiful scrumptious flavors. Make sure to add your salt and pepper. Once you sweat your tomatoes and peperoncino slices, you throw back the guanciale into the saucepan to allow the guanciale to absorb all the lovely flavors from the tomatoes and the peperoncino. Reduce the heat to low heat and allow your sauce to continue to cook until it thickens. While you cook the sauce until it thickens, prepare your salted boiling water into a pot, add your pasta of choice, and make sure you follow the instructions of the package or until al dente. Soon as the spaghetti is cooked, add it to the sauce. Make sure you mix well. Remove the saucepan from the stove, continue to stir, and once you're ready, add your spaghetti with the sauce into a lovely bowl ready to taste. Don't forget the pecorino. Enjoy. Buon appetito! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment.